Hi friends, in this video we will be seeing on what is capital receipt. Before seeing this capital receipt video, please go through what is called as revenue receipt, because it is the exact opposite of what is capital receipt. This is the exact opposite of what is revenue receipt. Okay, receipt is something that we receive and capital is something that we invest, which is not recurring in nature. Let me read it for you. A receipt which is not revenue in nature is called capital receipt. It is non-recurring in nature. The amount received is normally substantial. It is shown on the liability side of balance sheet. So what is capital receipt is that any amount that we receive which is not a revenue in nature. For examples for these are loan and sale of fixed assets. Let me give you an example and make you understand. Suppose Mr. K is in the business of soaps and shampoos. Suppose he is in the business of soaps and shampoos. Suppose he want to do a new business. He want to do a new line of product. He is going to bank and he want to raise a loan for 50 lakhs. So this 50 lakhs will enter into the business and it is called capital receipt. Likewise, he is having an old machinery which he had purchased for 20 lakhs and he is after using for 10 years he is gonna sell it for 5 lakhs. So from this he will be receiving an amount. So that is called capital receipt. Why these two are called capital receipt is that Mr. K is not gonna keep on going to the bank and asking for loans, because for one loan itself it will take many years to repay that loan. So loan is something which does not keep on recurring. It is non-recurring in nature. Likewise the same, Mr. K is engaged in the business of soaps and shampoos. So when he sell a fixed assets of 5 lakhs, it is not his business to keep on selling fixed assets. His business is selling soaps and shampoos and in that product line. So these two amount is called capital receipt. So this is the end of this video. Hope you go understand what is capital receipt.